In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete Claude AI memories and manage what the system remembers about you. Let's get started. First, launch your Claude AI app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this arrow icon given at the top left. Now click on three bars. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon given over here. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option capabilities. Inside this, you're gonna find the option of generate memory from chat history, which is usually turned on by default. If this feature is active and Claude has already saved memories about you, you'll be able to see them listed in this section. Now to remove specific memories, simply click on the individual memory items and delete them one by one. This lets you control exactly what Claude remembers about you. If you want more control, you can also turn off the memory feature entirely. When you toggle it off, you'll be given two options. You can either pause memory, which means Claude will keep existing memories but stop using or creating new ones, or you can choose reset memory, which permanently deletes all stored memories and starts fresh. Just keep in mind that resetting memory cannot be undone, so only use it if you really want a clean slate. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.